going to teach about the Python variables, right? In our last video, we saw about the operators part. All the operators parts we have covered. In this video, I'm going to teach about the variables, right? So before that, let's go to the revision. So let's type or write 5. What will be the output? Now you have to know it. Int, this type of int. That is all things we have discussed in our last class, right? So here you can see here, if you are right, here this kind of question also there, right? In your exam, anything. If you write like this, 9, what happened now? It's automatic 9. It's automatically take as 9, right? So here, if you are getting here this float, what happened the output? It also, you can get the output like this. Float. I have a spelling mistake, that's why. 9. Here, if it is a float, you get 9 point. It is float mean it is a pointing value will be there. It is a int. It not, if you put the integer type, it not care about this within the brackets. It took and print the values, right? So now what I'm going to do is here. What I'm going to say, we have to write here float. You have to write float. You have to write cat. You have to write what the output will be now. Float cat. Float. Right, float. Okay, here you can see the output could not convert the string of float. So if it is string values never convert. That's why it will be telling, right? Only except the integer values, string value not concept, right? So this kind of situation will be telling that you will be understand the errors, right? But these are the things are the revision. Okay, sometimes there will be the questions in your exam, right? These are all the things you have to concern about the Python, right? So here you will be able to see str mean this one should be the string type. So here you write 7.89, right? So here you the it will be considered as a string and it will print out the values, right? So these are the things happen, right? So bool also the same thing. Bool 1, it's true. Bool, it will be the 0, it is a false, right? If it is a bool mean there will be two things, 1 and 0. If it is 1 true, if it is 0 false, right? You have to consider about this one. This is very must, right? Okay, now let's go to the variable part. That's very important stuff, the variable. So you have to go to the file, you have to go to file, new. I'm going to go to the new notebook. Now here I'm going to go to the new notebook. So here what I'm going to do is this notebook, I'm going to go with some practice, right? Now here what I'm going to do is right now let's variable. What is a variable? Variable is a memory temporary, store the data as temporary, not permanently. This is the short definition of variable, right? Variable, which is the value stored as temporarily, not permanently, right? So here, how to create the variable in Python? First, you have to create the variable name a equal 5. Okay, as we studied earlier, a equal 5. What is this? This is the our relational operators. It's this one represented as a relational operators, right? So here, if you get rid of this 1 equal, it is represented as a variable. So here variable always assign a value. Okay, so here 5 is 5. A equal 5 mean a goes to a, 5 goes to a. So then 5 assigned to a. So what will be the output? So here now I'm going to go to type another one. A plus 2. Shift plus enter. 7 will be the answer. Okay. 5 goes to 5 assigned to a. So a now what is the value stored in the a? 5. 5 plus 2, 7 will be the answer. Now I'm going to do a plus a plus a. What will be the answer? 15 will be the answer. So a is 5, 5, 5, 5. There will be the 3, 5. Answer will be 50. Okay. Now I'm going to create another variable b. B equal to 10. Now a plus b. What will be the answer? 50. So okay, a 5, b 10. So answer will be 50. Now I hope you have a clear idea. Okay, I have explained the clarity of the variables, right? So I hope you have a clear idea about the variable, how the variable performs, right? Okay, it's very simple. Right now here, if you are right here, a equal 10, a equal 10, after a equal 15, sorry, b equals, not, I'm going to create the another variable, x 10, y 20, z equal 30, 25. Now what will be the answer? So here I'm going to type uh, dot equal, you have to write, simply you have to write ax plus y plus z. What will the answer? Shift enter, 50, 55 will be the answer. This is how you have to write that, do it. Right, very simple. If you are write this exercise in PyCharm editor, you can write, I already told, print a, you write like this, then only it will be work. 10, same thing, sorry, print, right, sorry, here you write like this, a equal 10, print a. Now here the answer will be 10, right? If you are normally you have write, it will work in if you have write the PyCharm, you have write like this, then only the variable you will be able to print, right? Okay, all the things you have write like this, very simple. Right, this is a very simple way you have to understand that you have a good enough understand of the variable creation. You have to write my name equal, you have to write the name, python you can create like this the variable. Okay, you have to create the variable like this, my name equal python. This is also accepted in python. This is the way you have to create the python variable, right? It will be accepted. If you write one my name, you store the value Java, enter key, it show the error. You can't create the variable along with the integer types variables. You can't type the numbers. You can't create a variable along with the numbers. Okay, it will be produce the output as error. Okay, right? Keep in your instruction. This is must. Now here, if you are print this one, my name. Okay, here you write my name. Press enter key here. Python will be printed. But if you are writing here, Python will be printed. If you write print, if you're in PyCharm, you have to outright this one. You just Control C copy, Control V paste here in PyCharm. Here, show the output. Perfect, right? This is how we have to. In Python, we have a good enough understanding. You have to write like this. Very simple. Okay, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. I'll see you in my next lecture. Thank you.